On daily basis, millions of men walk into the pharmacy shop requesting for Viagra. On daily basis, millions of men also pop these drugs and swallow it without knowing the hidden risk, the surprising truth, and the game-changing facts about these drugs. Hi, this is Pharmacist Donald. In this video, I'll be telling you the basic things you should know about these drugs, Viagra. It's your place to stick to the end of this video in order to have the knowledge, because a stitch in time saves 9. I'll be telling you about how Viagra works, who should take Viagra, common side effects of Viagra, and the alternative drugs or natural alternative drugs to these drugs, Viagra. So Viagra is the brand name for Sildenafil citrate, a medication originally developed in 1989 by Visa's Sandwich Laboratories in UK. During clinical trials of these drugs, researchers noticed the unexpected side effects of it causing increased blood flow to the male sexual organs, the penis, making erection stronger and longer lasting. So, because of its effects on nitric oxide and cyclic guanosine monophosphate pathway. So this discovery led to Viagra becoming the first FDA approved pills for erectile dysfunction. Today, millions of men worldwide use it to improve their sexual performance. Briefly, how does these drugs work? You know, the male erection depends on healthy blood flow into the penis. When you are sexually aroused, your body releases nitric oxide. Nitric oxide activates some enzyme which leads to the conversion of GTP, the guanosine triphosphate, into cGMP, the cyclic guanosine monophosphate, a compound that is responsible for the relaxation of the penis muscle, leading to the increased blood flow into the penis. So Viagra now comes in by inhibiting another enzyme called phosphodiesterase 5, which normally breaks down the cGMP, the compound responsible for keeping the muscles relaxed. So by blocking phosphodiesterase 5, Viagra helps sustain increased blood flow, allowing you to maintain a healthy erection longer. So, but it won't work without arousal. Stimulation is still required. Does Viagra makes you automatically hard? No. It is just a common myth. Sexual stimulation is still required. So, Viagra isn't a magic pill that gives you an instant or automatic erection. It only enhances your body's natural response to sexual stimulations by increasing the blood flow when aroused. So without stimulation, nothing happens. Pharmacist, how long does this drug work? Within 30 to 60 minutes of taking it, the effects can last for 4 to 6 hours, depending on factors like your age, metabolisms, and overall health. However, it doesn't mean you have an erection all time, the entire time. So it just means that your body will be more responsive to arousal for several hours. You know, when you talk about erectile dysfunction, it's not when your empire falls, you rise. Understand? When your empire falls, you rise. You don't have problem. But when your empire falls, and it takes centuries, it takes decades for it to rise. And when it finally rises, it takes 5 seconds or 2 seconds for it to fall. That is when erectile dysfunction is fully exposed. Do you understand? So, Sildenafil, the Viagra, will help to combat this problem. Will help to give you multiple arousal, multiple erection, as far as there is still stimulation, sexual stimulation. Do you understand? Do not take Viagra. If you take any medications containing nitrates, commonly prescribed for angina pectoris, that is chest pain or heart disease or any cardiovascular condition. These drugs, Viagra, can cause interaction that will lead to dangerous drop in your blood pressure, thereby threatening your life. Do you understand? So men with severe cardiovascular issues, recent heart attacks, strokes, or even low blood pressure, hypertension, or uncontrolled high blood pressure, hypertension, should avoid these drugs completely. Always consult your cardiologist anytime you want to take any drugs containing nitrates for them to assess your cardiovascular health before you do so. Better still, to be on the safe side, you avoid these drugs. So what are the common side effects of these drugs? Some side effects can be mild and temporal. This includes headache due to increased blood flow, facial flush, stomach upset. Some men report having stomach upset after taking these drugs, nasal congestion, blood fission is still part of the side effects of these drugs. And now a rare but a very serious side effects of these drugs is priapism. What is priapism? An erection lasting more than 4 hours. That is why it is advisable to take these drugs when you are with your wife or your partner. You don't take it like paracetamol, and you don't take it every day. If this happens, seek immediate medical help to avoid permanent damage. Can you build tolerance to Viagra? Yes. Over time, your body develops tolerance, meaning you might need to increase the dose. This happens when men rely on it instead of treating or addressing the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is the end product of something else. So you look for a way to handle the underlying cause, not to continue to take care of these symptoms. Okay? Now, Viagra is a temporal fix, not a long-term solution. Most men take these drugs to increase confidence and reduce anxiety. While it may seem harmless, recreational use can lead to dependency and at the same time hide the underlying problems with performance or health that needs real solutions. So these drugs is to be taken with caution. Natural alternatives to Viagra may include lifestyle changes, exercise regularly to improve blood flow, eat balanced diet, nutrient-rich diet, reduce stress, and prioritize sleep. Because stress can give you erectile dysfunction as a man. Nitric oxide boosters, okay? Then natural herbal supplements that can improve erectile dysfunction is ginseng. There's a supplement, ginseng. You get that and you improve that condition for yourself. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. If you find value in this video, share it and like it. Subscribe to my channel so that next time I post this kind of videos, you'll be notified. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.